Dear parents, students and the teachers, here there is an app which can help us to convert images into PDF, and it is quite good and safe, and it is better than Cam Scanner. On your mobile, open Play Store, and in that search box you can type Adobe Scan and search for the Adobe Scan application. A list of applications will be opened related to the Adobe Scan, but you have to install the one which I am showing on the screen. You can observe the icon. It is already installed in my mobile, that is why it is showing open. You can install in your mobile. After installing, you can see in the list on my mobile, you can see Adobe Scan. The same application you have to install in your mobile. After installing, you have to open that Adobe Scan application. At first time it will ask to sign in with your email ID and password. You have to enter your email ID and password. You have to sign in, and one OTP will send to your email. You have to open your email and you have to copy that email and you have to paste it in the OTP box, and then you are allowed to use this Adobe Scan application. And here I have already done that process, so here I can be able to use this Adobe Scan application. Here I am going to take the screenshot of image. I have taken screenshot. You can see there is a corners. You can set the margins also by dragging with that buttons, and you can see bottom there is an option continue. Click continue, and you take another screenshot of your answer script, and you can apply the same steps by dragging these corners. You can set your margins and click continue, and you can see bottom there is a page number 2. So 2 pages I have taken. Click on that, and here you can see 1 and 2. Even bottom also it is showing page numbers, how many pages I have taken screenshots. And you can see below there is a add page. If you want to take one more screenshot, you can select take another photo, or if you want to delete any other page, you can open that page and you can click delete button at the bottom. And here you can see if you want to crop the pages, click on crop, and you can crop your pages again after taking images also. After cropping, you can click right button which is displaying on the top right side, and you can see there is a color option also, and rotate. If you want to rotate your page, you can rotate, or if you want to change the colors, if you want to increase the brightness, you can select. Right, and you can see on the top edit button. You can edit your name. You can give the name for this file 6G. So like this you can give the name for your file, the subject which you are writing, exam, the particular subject name you can mention here, your name, your class section and the subject name, and click save PDF. And here see on the screen there is a share option. Click on share, and in the list you see share a copy. Click on the share a copy, and you can select the Gmail option. If you want to send through Gmail, you can select Gmail, and here you can type the name, mail ID of your subject teachers to whom you want to send, and in the subject box you can type your name, class section, Hindi, and number of pages, and the same information you can use here. And you can see on the top there is a send button. Click on the send, then your file will be sent to the particular subject teacher. So in this manner you can use this Adobe application, and it is very easy to use. So hope you all understood this process. Thank you.